Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Neliangia PowerJet, high pressure water gun, 5-in-1 nozzle. There are features include unmatched pressure and efficiency. Powerful boosting technology blasts away tough dirt, grime, and mud 50% faster than ordinary water guns, perfect for deep cleaning cars, trucks, and outdoor surfaces. Versatile 5-in-1 water gun nozzle, switch between jet, shower, mist, flat, and cone modes to handle car washing, garden watering, patio cleaning, and even pet bathing, all with high-pressure hose nozzle. Durable and leak-proof design. High-pressure water cannon steel body and leak-proof connectors ensure long-lasting use in harsh outdoor conditions, no more messy drips or frequent replacements. Easy to use and install, quick connect to any standard garden hose without tools, ergonomic non-slip handle for comfortable one-handed operation, even during extended use. Safe and eco-friendly, built-in pressure relief valve protects against overpressure. Water-efficient design reduces waste by 30% compared to traditional cleaning methods. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.